Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to find and recover deleted listings in Facebook Marketplace. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. First up, open your Facebook on your browser, as you can see here, and then go to Marketplace. And then here on Marketplace, you want to go here on Selling, and you'll find all your listings in Facebook Marketplace. Now, for example, I'm going to delete some of the one of the listings here. So click on the three dots and then click on delete listing. And from here, just need to confirm by clicking on this delete button. And here, just need to select either you sold it on Facebook, elsewhere, haven't sold, or I'd rather not answer. For example, I'm going to select yes, sold on Facebook, and then click on the next button, and then select the buyer, or basically just have to select someone else in Facebook. Now, as you can see here, your listing is now permanently deleted. So currently, we have no direct options here to find or recover your listings on Facebook once you've deleted. So instead of deleting your listing on Facebook Marketplace, I recommend you to just tap or click on the mark as out of stock. All right. For example, here, if we're going to scroll up and here, just click on the mark out of stock. And basically, if you click on archive, so your listing will not be deleted on your list. So basically, you just have to click on mark as out of stock instead of delete listing. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.